then you put it on the M&Ms. And then you take the tortilla and roll it. This is good.
Hasini, what are you doing?
Spreading the cream cheese on the tortilla.
And what are you guys making, Mahit?
We are making banana on a blanket.
Oh, yeah?
So first you spread the cream cheese around the tortilla. Yeah.
Cream cheese around the tortilla.
You have to spread the cream cheese around the tortilla.
So right now we're spreading the cream cheese on the quesadilla, on the tortilla.
And we're making bananas in a blanket. Banana in a blanket.
Look what you skipped me. And the first step is to warm the tortilla up.
And what's the second step, Anish?
The second step is to put the cheese cream on the tortilla. It's banana on it's cream cheese, on cream cheese. Okay. To sprinkle the M&Ms over my spread cheese.
It's good, right? Banana skull is good.
So see, after we put the whipped cream and we got the banana, we get to use one of these accessories. So I'm gonna use some of the M&Ms and also some of the raisins.
I'm gonna choose I'm gonna choose M&Ms and
So you take the banana, put it in there, roll it.
Put the banana in there, roll it.
What he said. And then take the M&M.
Then, good. It's good.
Yeah, what he said.
I feel hungry, very, very hungry. I feel hungry, very, very hungry. J'ai faim, j'ai très, très faim. J'ai faim, j'ai très, très faim. We need milk, we need bread, we need eggs. Early this morning,
Il nous faut du lait, il